Thanks for joining us today. Today we have a 2008 Ford F350 dually. It's a regular cab. It's got a 10-foot rack body on the back with a lift. 6.8 liter V10, four-wheel drive truck. It's blue with a gray vinyl bench, air conditioning, power locks, and windows, and I think mirrors. It's a beautiful truck. It's got a really nice lift on it. Rack in the back's 10 feet long. It's got fresh paint on it. Strobe on the top. It is windy and cold. Drives beautifully. It does have a salvage title. It was in the vicinity of the Sandy storm that rolled through here. There's about 300,000 cars that were totaled from that incident. That area was actually declared a national disaster area, and insurance companies were subsidized by the federal government, and the insurance companies pretty much totaled everything in a certain area. It's done by zip code. I didn't find any evidence of water anywhere on this truck. Everything works perfectly. As you can see, it's got 19,542 miles. No check engine lights. Everything runs great. No issues or problems. It's cold today. Vinyl floor, vinyl seat. There's no funky smells in here at all. It's an awesome truck. Got the 6.8 V10 under the hood. Runs great. Said no issues or problems. Four-wheel drive works as well. Got a little strobe on the top too. Just a FM radio.
It's sharing moment.
Throw it in four-wheel drive for you. There's lockable hubs also. Feels good. V10's real torquey. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. You can call us directly at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and details on our website. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.